Their first impression and now is vastly different. But hello, Taurus. Welcome, new viewers, cross watchers, and my lovely, lovely Moonians. This is a monthly reading for August 2021. We will be looking into love and anything else that the Spirit has for us, alright? So let's see what's coming in. As an oracle, we have holy love coming through. Unconditional love coming in, the highest frequency of all, elevating towards that. Finding the freedom to elevate, ascend, to continue and discover your own inner gifts and this lovely gift that you have of compassion. Some kind of a grand gesture, kind of energy is coming in, or just your kindness, your thoughtfulness, which is coming into attention. You have so much love to give. Very beautiful start. I don't know, the glare is not going. I'm trying though. Anyways. The divine energy that is surrounding you at this time is there to help you melt away any blockages so that you can be open and receptive to the love and appreciation that you deserve. View yourself in a loving way. Give yourself the permission to be loved, to love and be loved. This card also says, if you have been holding back for a while but are now ready to share the love you have within, this card brings the message that it is safe for you to do so. You are so lovable. The Spirit is here reminding you of that. Okay, I'll keep this here as is. Now let's look into the 3D energies. Spirit, what is coming in as a blessing? That's what we need to know. What these cards? Alright, we'll take this. We have the Page of Bones coming in, Page of Wands coming through. This is like being ready, trailblazer energy which is coming through. But overall, listen to the intuition, listen to the guidance also coming in. It will help you take actions more advantageously is also coming through, because this card, the Page of Bones, has a lot of eagerness to do what is right, to what may impulsively feel right also. So how do we make a difference? Like, how do we know which one is actually very much like in favor of us? That kind of a thing is coming in, because this one also talks about, while there is a lot of eagerness to take some action, there may be a little bit of naivety which also comes in. So just become aware of that is coming through. We'll look into more as to what is being said here, but that, okay, I can slide it here. We have Three of Pentacles also coming in, which is very, very lovely, because there's entrepreneurship energy which is coming through very, very strongly over here, and the Spirit is really blessing you as you go ahead, as you certain kind of studies that you may be thinking about. It will be very, very good for specialization, or it's just a lot of blessing coming in from the divine, giving you the go, letting you know that they are there supporting your dreams, your goals. That kind of energy is coming in. It's time to put in the work is coming through. But in regards to what? Let's look into that also. You could also be feeling quite excited to venture out, travel, explore different things with the fire signs. Fire signs are due to a fire sign. Fire signs are Sagittarius, Aries and Leo. I don't know why I'm fumbling, but well, I think I'm getting the excitement. It's that good feeling that is coming in, like, somewhere down the line, you just know things are turning in your favor. That kind of a thing. This is someone who is brimming with yang energy, but the sacral chakra is also opened up, and there's a lot of creativity, inspiration, that feel good factor, that today I'm gonna win, carpe diem kind of energy, which is also coming through. And we have Strength coming in, Leo Major Arcana coming through, which is asking you to find the courage to pursue a dream, pursue a goal, do something which is good for you, even if it is like pushing yourself out of the bed and doing something in regards to exercising, doing something for yourself. I don't know, picking up a hobby, finding fun, like doing fun things, and finding that playful side of yours is also kind of coming in. There could be a new venture financially also which may be coming in. You may be quite excited. This may be something which you have been hoping for, but now that it's falling in your lap, my god, in your lap, you may be feeling a little intimidated by it, a little nervous by it. This is just coming in a friendly reminder that you've got it. It's coming in because you've worked towards it. You opened the opportunity, you opened the door for it to come through. Is it now? That kind of a thing is coming in. But don't worry, don't get intimidated by competition, also is coming through. At the bottom, we have Nine of Pentacles coming in, recognition coming through. Financially, things are growing for you. Like promotion also could be coming in. Maybe there's this very, I don't know, finances are coming in, so I'm going to talk about it. But an office scenario wherein you handle certain things very tactfully and your seniors notice you due to that. That kind of a thing is also coming in, where you may have underestimated yourself, but you came out like the underdog. No one saw you coming. That kind of a thing is also coming in. I'm feeling very, very happy somewhere down the line. Inner healing, motivating, keeping yourself motivated because the drive is there. And with the Nine of Pentacles, it also talks about independence. So maybe there's certain kind of steps that you're taking which is really, really highlighting your independence. But maybe if you are choosing a new path, it may be a little daunting. But it's all right. You've got it. That is also coming in. It's worth the ride kind of a thing. On cutting, we have the High Priestess coming through, which is Pisces energy. And this is talking about higher wisdom. You have a lot of talent. You have a lot of knowledge. You have a lot of skills that and visions and wisdom that many can learn from. You're being asked to share your gifts is the energy which is coming through a lot. And we have the King of Bones also coming in, which is the King of Wands coming through. Metatron energy coming in. Speak up is also coming through. Share your ideas a little is also coming in, but of course, if it's a top secret kind of a project or whatever, I don't know. Use a little bit of discernment. You don't have to showcase all your cards. That is also coming in. Make sure that you're keeping a few jokers with yourself, like with, how do I explain this? A few wild cards which will help you, that kind of a thing. Okay, let's look into the other side. We have Justice card coming in reverse, which is the Libra card coming in reverse. Certain kind of balance someone is trying to achieve, wanting to do things right. This may be a person who may be a little in the middle of legalities and it may be taking some time. They may be justified by certain kind of steps that you may have taken because you did it out of self-respect. This person may have thought that you may be gullible. They took it like they thought that they could take you for a ride is also kind of coming in. Many energies, just take what resonates, let go of that which doesn't, all right? And we have the Eight of Pentacles coming in. In this deck, it's the Eight of Pentagrams. Eight over here, eight over here. There's Nine of Pentacles, there's number 9. Is this 9 or 11? 11 over here. This is also 11. What am I seeing here? I wanted to say something else, but anyways, I'll go into this. Eight of Pentacles is someone who is very, very hardworking. So if there was a certain kind of injustice that happened that maybe led to parting ways and everything because you took the high road, you took a path which was more beneficial for you, more serving for you, which you felt called to take, that kind of a thing. But this person is coming in wanting to make things right, the equal give and take, I don't know, but they want to work upon this relationship and strengthen wherever the weakness was shown is also coming through. It's almost like they want to cut away anything that is holding them back. Also, could be this person may be a little fixated on their work scenario. They may be worried about their finances, how are they placed, and that may be stopping them from coming towards you or fully give into the relationship, the situationship, the connection that you both have is also coming in. But they are realizing there are certain kind of acts due to whatever is keeping them away from you in a certain way, keeping them busy. I'll say that they realize that you don't deserve that and they need to come in clean. And we have the 9 of Swords also coming through over here. There's a lot of anxiety which is coming in, not being able to tell you everything is coming through. But with unconditional love over here, they feel like they're morally obligated to do things right with you, and they may be facing certain kind of karma, or they're realizing certain things about their own life now, which may be keeping them awake. So the reason of them being awake at night may be very different, but there's certain kind of stress this person is undergoing at the moment, a little anxious about their work, about how you are viewing them right now, how they are in a lack, that kind of a thing. And we have the Two of Pentacles also coming in reverse. Two, three things, I'll say that. Not being able to juggle, taking too many things at once and not being able to multitask is also coming in with this one. Trying to find the grass, which side is greener kind of a thing. And if this is someone from the past coming through, this is saying that the grass wasn't greener. I wish I had decided before. I didn't take so much time. That kind of a thing is coming in. But they don't want to juggle things around. There's certain kind of the heart opening up is also coming through, but realizing the acts they have done, which they may have been a little oblivious towards because the mind was somewhere else. We have the Moon card also coming in reverse, which is talking about they want to talk to you. They are going through certain kind of shadow work at the moment, is the energy which is coming through. They're facing reality in a certain way. They have certain kind of revelation which is occurring also, that's creating certain kind of clarity. But in order to go there, there's this certain kind of guilt or reliving the past energy which is happening right now. A little bit of Tower moment energy which is happening. I don't know what is the cause of it, what stirred it, because there are many ways I can see that, but they want to make things right, but it's all clouded at the moment is also coming in. And they see you as someone who is so talented, who is bursting with energy, can be dynamic. Anger can flare up, but easily cool down also. That you have a lot of strength, that you may have undergone quite a few ordeals, yet your dedication towards work, finding your way back, inspires them is also coming in. What's the central energy? Queen of Bones, the Hierophant, the Tower, and 5 of Bones. See, I was talking about the Tower movement coming in. With the Hierophant, which is also Taurus Major Arcana coming in, there are certain kind of obstacles which are coming in the way, and it's like they're realizing their ways, and there's certain kind of principles which they have really held on to, which is shattering right now. Their reality is changing because they're realizing a lot about their own self also, and what they're seeing as obstacle to come towards you perhaps is not really an obstacle, but an understanding that they made about it is also coming in. Let's see the love oracles coming in. Thank you. We have cause and effect coming through. You are aware that the love you create in your thoughts is an agent of change and the foundation of your results. So become aware of that. Believe in yourself is also the energy which is coming through. You influence them very highly is also kind of coming in. They may be mirroring you and you have realized that is also coming through. You lead the path is also coming in. Like after you say something, they'll say something in the same way, but later on, knowing that you like to say it, kind of repeating it, mirroring it in a certain way, subconsciously perhaps, unconsciously, sorry. We have kindness also coming in. You are a humanitarian made of love, and you are able to share that energy with others. And we have patience also coming in. You're able to let the universal energy of transformation move according to its own loving rhythm. This side is being asked to be more kind, be more compassionate, be starting with your own self. Don't be so harsh on your own self, kind of a way, and then filling yourself up with the goodness and everything and allowing it to flow out, like in kindness, compassion for other people and everything. That way, which is coming in, and cause and effect over here is making you aware that realize your words, how you are affecting the other person is also kind of coming in. Don't let negative thoughts overwhelm you is also kind of coming through, because then in a way you are influencing the relationship through your own thoughts also. So become aware of that is also kind of coming through. I would like to see what they want to say to you. First one is, my mind was elsewhere. Exactly, they are realizing that they couldn't, for some, they couldn't prioritize you. Love and fear in the same space. They're fearful that you won't love them back, or it's almost like a certain kind of trigger which comes through, wherein they may be equating you as their past lover, parents also, a little bit of fear of abandonment which may be there. This may be a person who may get jealous easily. I am so very sorry is coming through. Yeah, there's a little bit of regret which is coming in with the Nine of Swords over here. Thinking about the mistakes, the way they may have taken you for granted. This says, I replay our past conversations over and over again is coming through. I am constantly thinking about you and the way things went. I wish I wouldn't have been so blunt is also coming in for some. We have, I'm looking for a best friend and a lover coming through. They don't only want there to be this attraction and everything, but they also want a friend in you, and they found that is the energy which is coming through over here. Self-love is vital. I am mirroring you. There you go, cause and effect. And then we have mirroring you again coming in. You showcasing self-love initiates the same thing in them. So if you have been healing yourself, their healing journey has begun also. If you are ascending, they may be awakening depending on where they are, and we keep on ascending, right? I went through my own. I'm still going through my ascension period again. So another level of awakening which is happening. It makes me a little haphazard, but that's okay. That's the beauty of it, I suppose. I wish to confess everything to you is coming through. I hope someday the timing will be right. Divine timing could have been a thing, right person, wrong time kind of a thing. But they're hoping for things to be better, for them to be able to showcase their own true self, which is a very kind, gentle person, which is why they have been guarding themselves so strongly. We have, it's so hard. It's so hard not to reach out. They've thought about it. They may have even like typed a few messages and then not sent it. That kind of a thing is also coming in over here. There is this eagerness to come towards you, rush in and chase you or win you over kind of an energy which is coming through. but it'll take some time over here because they are going through certain kind of shadow work, and it will be very, very beneficial for them. It's almost like better late than never kind of energy which is coming through. They really want to amend things. Libra, Leo, a lot of bones have come in. So yeah, fire signs have come through quite a lot. Pentacles have also come in, I suppose. So those are earth signs, which includes you, Taurus, Capricorn, and Virgo. That is what I'm getting over here. And at the bottom we have, I dream about you often. I'm not here to hurt you. It's almost like they're realizing the past mistakes, whether involving you or another person or something or the other, whatever it is. But they want to amend things, live the good life because they can see that with you, and they do appreciate the amazing bond that you have together. But they are sorry that they couldn't give you all the attention, is also coming in. That's why it may have been a little hot and cold at times. Whenever they felt that they're going to be vulnerable, they could have closed off, is also the energy which is coming through over here. But the confusion is coming to an end, is the energy which is coming in over here. Let's see what Gaia has to say. Thank you. Oh my god. This is a new deck. Okay. We have consistency coming in. Be consistent in your efforts. Is coming through. Maybe it is time for you to prioritize yourself, is also the energy which is coming in. The sun coming through, there is success which will be coming in, certain kind of clarity which is also coming in, but you blazing a new trail kind of energy which is coming through. There's a lot of guidance which will be leading your path ahead, is also coming in. Certain kind of the moon at the back. It's almost like certain kind of setback which has been plaguing your mind for a very long time. You are letting go of it because you're making your own closure. You're coming and having this closure with your own self, like on your own. You're putting an end to that trauma, is the energy which is coming in, and it's giving you a lot of strength. Instead of taking impulsive actions, be more steady. Take it one day at a time kind of a thing which is coming in. It's not about overnight success, but each and every day, the effort that you make creates the success that you really want, the long lasting success, something which is getting reminded over here. And with the Three of Pentacles which came in, and over here also, it's like the life you have right now are the choices that you've made, as a result of choices that you've made. What kind of plants will you like to seed, and would like to bear fruits of, is also something which is coming in. Water it. You have to take care of it each and every day. One step at a time can take you anywhere, is also the energy which is coming in. Focus on yourself is coming through quite a bit. What else do we need to know? Okay, we'll take this. We have dependability also coming in. It's almost like the Two of Cups energy which is coming in over here. Being able to depend on each other. Being independent, but also being able to work together as a team, is also coming in. You've shown them so much kindness. They may not know how to give it back to you, is also coming in. But they feel very secure knowing that you are with them, is also kind of coming in. You've opened depths. Words today. Depths in them which they weren't aware of, is also kind of coming in. They want to bridge the gap. They want to offer the olive branch, the branch. I don't know why olive, but branch. They want to amend things. They want to come towards you with equal give and take. They really want to make things work with you. They want to co-create with you. For some people, this person is opening to the fact that they can depend on another person, seeing that you're so consistently loyal, is also coming in. They may have perceived you based on your dynamic side, but over time they saw the softness, the strength in you, and how you navigate, how you pick yourself up, how you blaze your own trails, and the kind of decisions that you make. You are consistent. in your commitments. And now that you're turning it inwards, you're becoming consistent with your own self also is kind of coming in. You're committing to yourself, and that is pulling them towards you more and more is also coming in. That's the way this person is working. So as you elevate your frequencies, the way you're living, like just being happy, content in what you're doing, you're emerging as a very different person. Their first impression and now is vastly different, but only for the better is the energy which is coming in. You bring in a lot of sunlight, a lot of happiness into this person's world. You gave them hope when there wasn't any. That kind of a thing is also coming in, and we have expectation. I just want to say unconditional love increases when expectations recede. So expect more from yourself. It's a way of motivating yourself, but don't pressurize yourself. Enjoy the journey. Take it one step at a time. Bring your focus in the now. May be helpful if you're being too drawn by the past or being too focused on the future. Bring your focus in the now is also coming in, because the past may formulate your present, but the present influences the future. So what can we do right now that will create a beautiful ripple effect in the future? Think about that is also coming in. And be consistent with your efforts, irrespective of what the response may be. Just keep at it. Believe in yourself, believe in what you're doing. It's almost like many people depend on you is also coming in. Oh my god, I again managed to do a long reading. So, anyways, that is what is coming in. Do let me know if this resonated with you. And thank you so much for your precious time. Do like, if you enjoyed this reading, then please do hit the like, share it with a loved one, subscribe if you haven't already. And thank you so much for being part of the Moonian family. Until next time, love, light, healing, empowerment, clarity, higher frequencies, unconditional love, compassion, and success to you all. Om Namah Shivaya. Keep that vibe high, my lovely Moonians.